recognized that I needed to, and I wanted to take a leap that was, I knew, important to me, and I needed some clarity and direction on moving forward with that. I learned a heck of a lot. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about the intentionality and impact that this next leap is going to mean for my life. And I was able to recognize some of the important factors that were holding me back. I would highly recommend it. I came in here not knowing what I was going to learn, not knowing what I was going to discover, and not knowing what the result was going to be. But during the few days here, some magic happened. I don't know exactly when it happened. It evolved, and it answered really every question I came here looking for direction on. So I would highly recommend it, coming with an open heart and being open to discover what can lie ahead after attending the Quantum Leap experience.